Ensure you are wearing the protective gloves included in the box. Before you can apply the anti-slip floor treatment, you have to clean the bottom of your shower with the tile and grout cleaner. Apply the tile and grout cleaner to the bottom of your tub or shower with a sponge. Switch to the scrub brush in difficult to clean areas. Once the shower is clean, rinse the product down the drain. Now that the shower is clean, apply the anti-slip floor treatment to the base of your shower. Spread the product evenly with the sponge. Set a timer for 10 minutes and continue to agitate the product. After the 10 minutes, rinse the product down the drain and your floor is now safe.